This video will show you how to assemble the OKAI EB40. Take photos of all four sides of the box and the label with the serial numbers. Make sure the label is easy to read and keep a photo for your records. Cut the packing straps and remove the white plastic buckle under the package. Open the box, remove the top foams, and take out the accessory box. Here we have a reflector, a key, a pedal, a headlight, an instruction book, chargers, and a quick release. There are a T-wrench, 3 sizes of hexagonal wrenches, 3 sizes of open-ended wrenches inside the toolkit. Take out the front wheel. To install the handlebar, first loosen the 4 and 5 screws. Then place the handlebar in the middle. Tighten it with the hex screwdriver. Install the front light and connect the wiring terminal. Get the vehicle out of the package, remove the packaging, put down the kickstand. To install the fenders, first loosen M6 and M5 screws. Place the fender, then tighten the screws. Remove the protection stand and disc brake protection plate respectively. Then turn the bike upside down. First, align the front wheel hub with the front fork. Then, insert the quick release screwer into the front wheel hub and tighten it. Install the pedals. Install the tail light. Charge your vehicle directly to the charging port or take out the battery. Charge separately. Please charge the vehicle to activate before you turn it on. There are 2 ways to turn on and turn off the e-bike. Tap the NFC key on the display or long press the power button. Press the button M to turn on and turn off the front light. Press the up and down buttons to switch the speed mode. Now you're ready to go.